everyone, welcome back to ViaVia's kitchen with me, Lala. Today I will make special beverage made from local food, and we call it Es Kuwut atau Es Kuwut. Es Kuwut itself is very famous from Bali, and then it's very famous around Indonesia. So today I will make this into refreshing beverage. Now I will show you the ingredients, okay? The first is I have melon and then coconut. Kuwut itself means coconut. In Bali, Kuwut means coconut. And then here I prepare the lime. And then here I have melon syrup. And then basil seed, like this. And then here I have coconut water. Yeah. If it's hard for you to find coconut water, you can replace it with just regular water. And then I will show you how to make ice kuwut. First, I will put the melon with small spoon like this. This beverage is very healthy because it's made from tropical fruit that is easy to find in here in Indonesia. If you hard to find coconut, you can also replace with cucumber. It's also refreshing. Like this, and then coconut. Because we are in tropical country, so it's easy for us to find coconut. A lot of seller that sells coconut, young coconut especially. Okay. And for basil seed itself, if you hard to find basil seed, you can replace with chia seed. Before that, you have to soak in the water, and then it can be used to garnish inside of Es Kuwut. And for the plating, I will put 2 tablespoons of lime syrup. And then melon. And then the coconut. And then ice cube. You can use the ice cube as many as you want. And then I will squeeze with lime juice. About 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Garnish it. Put in here. Basil seed on top. And then the star is the coconut water. And as you know, that coconut water, we have a lot of the use of the coconut water is to prevent dehydration, and also for local people, it's used for the first aid in food poisoning. And I will put the coconut water here. And the Es Kuwut is ready, everyone. It's so refreshing and also energizing. And I hope you can try this at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye everyone. Happy cooking.